Assalamualaikum friends, myself mehndibyazeema. Welcome back to my free Mehendi classes series day 7. In this video I am going to teach you about how to create hibiscus flowers. I will teach you hibiscus flowers with 3 simple tips and tricks. First simple trick is like this. First simple technique is, first you need to draw 2 types of cross lines, one this side and the other one is opposite direction, and then you need to take a petal from here and then take a petal from here, join the petal, again create a petal and then join the petal, and then create a simple cross line and create a petal from right side direction, and then create a petal to left side direction. This is the first trick. Now I will show you with Mehendi. First you need to take cross lines in opposite directions like this. This technique I am showing for beginners, and then create a petal and join this line, create a petal and join this petal, create a petal, join this petal. After the completion of 3 petals, draw a line in the middle, cross line. This is the first simple trick. Now I will highlight the flower with shading. Take the shading lines in flower shape. Do unequal shading. Take shading from both sides. This is the power of highlighting. After the completion of highlighting the flower, give thick outlining to hibiscus flower to enhance the beauty of flower. See, this is the power of highlighting the hibiscus flower, how beautifully it enhances. Beauty of flower is enhanced. Now I will show you second simple trick, and the second trick is, first draw a light circle and then draw 5 petals cross line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. First start from here and then join this line, and then start from here and join the line. This is the second trick. Once again I will show you. Draw a light circle 5 petals of cross lines. 1, 2, 3, 4 and the last 5. Start from here and this starts from here, start from here, start from here and the last. Now I will create hibiscus flower with mehendi. Take a light outline circle and then take 5 petals lines, 2, 3, 4 and the last 5. Create petal from this direction. You need to create 5 petals in hibiscus flowers. This is the second technique. Now I will highlight the flower with the shading. First, highlight the flower with unequal lines. One thick line and one thin line. The petals outlines. And the third technique is draw lines in opposite directions, curve lines in opposite directions. Draw a middle line and then draw curve lines in V shape and start the petal from joining the curve line. Same. Join the V shape line, start the petal, complete the petal. This is the third simple technique. Once again I will show you. Take 2 curve lines into 2 opposite directions and then draw a middle line, middle curve line and then take 2 V-shaped lines into opposite directions like this and then start creating petal from this curve line. Complete the petal joining this line and then start from this curve line, complete the petal joining this line and then start this V-shape line and complete the petal by joining curve line. Start from this V-shape line, complete the petal joining this curve line. After the completion of 4 petals, joining from V-shape and complete the petal. This is the third type of simple technique to construct a hibiscus flower. Now I will construct a hibiscus flower with mehendi. Draw curve lines into 2 opposite directions. Take a middle line like this and then take 2 curve lines into V shape. Start constructing the petal from this curve line. Complete the petal while joining this curve line. Start petal from this curve line. Complete the petal. Join this line. Start the petal from this V-shaped line and complete the petal. Join curve line. Start the petal. complete the petal, join curve line. By joining this line, create the V-shaped petal. See, the hibiscus flower is created. And now I will enhance the flower with shading. Power of shading. Shading will be unequal, one thick line and one thin line, small line and big lines. After the completion of shading, bold the flower with thick outlining. ओके गाइस, होप यू लाइक दिस वीडियो। अगर आपको मेरा वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, इंस्टाग्राम को फॉलो कर लीजिए, वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को शेयर कीजिए। मेरे फ्री मेहंदी क्लासेस का फ़ायदा उठाइए, ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। कम से कम आपको ईच एलिमेंट को 30 से 40 टाइम्स प्रैक्टिस कर फिगर्स को रिक्रिएट करना है, रिकन्स्ट्रक्ट करना है। ये लेटेस्ट बिग अपॉर्चुनिटी आप लोगों के लिए है गाइस। मेरे फ्री मेहंदी क्लासेस को डे 1 से फॉलो कीजिए, अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कीजिए। एक अच्छे प्रोफेशनल मेहंदी आर्टिस्ट बनने के लिए आपके हाथों में फिनिशिंग का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है। याद रखिए, आप जितना प्रैक्टिस करेंगे आपके हाथों में उतनी अच्छी फिनिशिंग आएंगी। चलिए मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।